I chose to focus my presentation on these statues known as the Panama, California Sculpture Court by the architect Carlton Monroe Winslow, located in Balboa Park, San Diego. All the pieces are the third version because the original statue was peeling and almost completely damaged. Some parts were restored to add to the third version, using the original statue as a model. The first piece is called Religion, made in 1914, remade in 2012. It is a freestanding figure of a woman in flowing robes, quoted from the architect Carlton. The statue implied motion, giving it a lifelike feeling to the visual toolbox from page 36. The skin tone-like color dulled away the intensity of the color, blending it in with the surrounding building. The second statue is known as Angel Head Pilaster, made in 1914 and re-replicated in 1971. It is described by the architect that it is one of the 4 identical heads of each retablo, an angelic female capitalized with scroll strapwork and foliage. End quote. The angel head pilaster has a mass in 3 dimensions, but it is an example of closed form. On page 26, a closed form is described as a form that does not openly interact with the space around it. End quote. The last statue is known as the Mission Indian Head Pilaster, formed in 1914, but replicated in 1971. Quoted by the architect, it was an idealized head of a California mission Indian and festoons of exotic tropical fruits, and some historians have suggested that the architect included the fruit motifs on the building as an allusion to the displays of commercial food products. End quote. The second and last statue has 2-point linear perspective in common. It has an imaginary plane, the height of the artist's eyes, parallel with the ground plane and extending to the horizon, quoted from page 30.